In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to listen to Apple Music on airplane mode. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you need to do this is the ability to add and download music from Apple Music so you can listen to it afterwards without a stable connection. So, you need a subscription to Apple Music in order to download the music. After you ensure that you have a running subscription to Apple Music, all you have to do is first open up the Apple Music app. Touch and hold down on any song, album, or playlist that you want to listen to on airplane mode and tap Add to Library. After adding to your library, find the same song, playlist, or album, touch and hold down it again, and select Download. It should be under Delete from Library and above Add to Playlist. After you download the song and you ensure that it is properly downloaded into your device's storage, you can now turn on airplane mode and try playing out the song. As long as you let the download finish and you were able to download the song completely, you will be able to hear it in airplane mode with no issues. I hope I was able to help you on how to listen to Apple Music on airplane mode. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.